Oh, hi! I'm Mike, an English tutor from the UK. I teach lots of courses, such as the Cambridge and Trinity programs for young learners. I also run my own phonics and grammar program for perfect reading and writing. You can contact me now on WhatsApp for more details. Just check the description for the link, or visit me at fatcatbooks.uk. You can also find me on YouTube. Just search Fat Cat Books on YouTube. I read lots of exciting stories, as well as do lots of fun phonics and vocabulary lessons. Oh no, looks like the cat pirates have found me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fat Cat Books. Goodbye.